Hello, clients. How are you? I hope you are doing well. My name is Akash. I am as a freelancer Akash. You can see my profile on YouTube. So today I am going to discuss about how to promote your video. Okay. So let's begin. Not time নষ্ট না করে চলেন শুরু করি. Let's begin. Okay, I want to promote this video. It's a tutorial video or it's a fundamental video from me. It's just a demo video I uploaded before. So I want to when my clients, one of my clients required or asking me how to promote my videos or can you promote my videos. So in that case, I think I need to create a video to uh, for my client so you can get it easily from me. So this videos uploaded by 2 days ago before no view because I can't do any SEO of this video. So let's begin how to promote any video when my clients are required or questions me about please make my video promoted. So that's why I create a video for that. And so this is my services as a freelancer Akash. I provide Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, and I can SEO of the website and post. So let's go how to promote your video. First of all, when my client when my client says this is my video to promote, so in that case in YouTube how to promote, right? So when I my client give me YouTube channel access, so first of all uh, how to access any YouTube channel of any client. So first of all client need to change to view your channel. So channel, here is the channel. So first of all you need to go your channel profile and right here you can click setting, so you can easily get the required tools or settings. Here is permission. Permission means when a owner uh, give us a role to maintain their YouTube channel. So we are work on it and we are using this setting to maintain any client YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to go your settings on your YouTube channels. Then you can invite me to use permission settings, and there is the option here invite. You can invite by my email, and it's actually it's required only email. So when you type my email like because it's my another email. Mm, so this is my email, and then you why you how much you access me. So manager, it's quite difficult to set. It's quite difficult. So I required that to my client. Uh, Please select editor or editor limited or so that I can edit or manage your YouTube channel. So editor, when you click editor and done, the email automatically the access will notify with email. So you can easily invite or give permission to use your YouTube channel and to using permission setting and invite by email. That's it. So today I will discuss about how to promote. So first of all you need to access the YouTube channel, and then and when client said this video or indicate any video to promote, then you need to go here, or on the other hand uh, you can go your playlist, or here you can see the content page. You can go the content, then you can get here to promote any video. So I am promoting this video, so I need to click here where the promote option is uh, happen. So I am searching that some more option. Here you can see lots of actions here. So here is not, here you can public, private, or any other thing you can do. So this video I need to promote, so I will select this video and go to promotion bar. So here you can see this video already select here. Then I need to click get started. So first of all I need to create a Google account, ads account. I already created a Google account here. So if you have no Google account, so you need to create a new account over here. So for my client I suggest to create and show that how to create a new account here. So I click the next. First of all I select create a new account, then I click the next. So here you can easily get the second option. There are five options here. Five, no, five, not five. Actually, there are six options to select and fill up. Then you can promote your video. So first of all, here I can select the new account. Here already created new account. So I click that account. Then go. Then the second option is go. So here you can see what's your main goal to promote your video. So when client said I need to grow my audience, or I need to grow my video views, or any clients are seeking website visits. So first of all I will try to grow to my audience here. So I select audience growth and next click next. Select a video from your channel. So now I need to select a video that actually need to promotion. So add, now click add, and this is the video I select. Then here you can see the demo of how to promote this video. Then I select already. Here already the description is automatically set. So now I click next. So in this targeting section, who will see your promotion? So my one of my clients, my almost all clients are from USA. So I need to show to the viewers in USA, USA, United States. So I select the country there and now click advance. So mm, who how getting my videos, like female, male, or unknown. So I select three of the options, and now you can customize any age or any mm, several ages people. So I select all of the following ages. Now you can add any language you speak. So I for the security purpose I use English. Then I can click the next. Actually, I am not showing about the billing process is done. I just show you how to promote and how to manage of your videos when promoting. So budget. Uh, First of all, here you can see the options. How much do you want to spend? So, if my client have not enough money, so you can low your budget. Like I am going to spend $100 from today's date to till this month. So they are estimating the views, impression or views, estimate views. So in here you are minimum getting per day 40 people views in a day to 2.5k, and the maximum is 8.8k to 29k estimate impression and estimate views. Here you can, yeah, now you can see there is a information logo there that that's told us about based on your total budget you will spend an average of $4 per day until you selected in that. Okay, that means we are spending $4 per day, and till $100, and then in date is 31 March 2025. So here you can see promotion views, estimate strength. So now I set all the information. Now I click next. Okay, enter your payment information. Enter your payment information. You can set uh, payment profile. Here you can select the, the small hawk individual Bangladesh payment profile, and we need to set tax information, payment method, or you can see how you. Here you can see Bangladesh tax information. That's why you need a BIN ID, business identification number. And, I have no BIN ID now. If my client will told me, then I will actually I will promote anytime. I know that process. Here you can change. Create a new and profile and organization name, select organization name, legal name, status, and all the details that should be authentic. So that's it to promoting your video process. You can promoting your video anytime. You can hire me to promote your video if you face any problem to promote your video. I am here for you 24 by 7, as your freelancer. So don't be late to promote your video and choosing me. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.